Go, Julie.
I'll dunk if you dunk. Do you have no nose goggles?
Yeah.
Oh, can I have one?
I
Can I have those nose goggles? I want no nose
Mom,
goggles.
sir, can you go in the shop? Can you get the no goggles?
Where's that? Go it to Julie. I don't know where's it. Thank you. Julian, Juliana, you wanna go to sauna now?
Me?
Yeah. I started the fire.
You want to jump in?
1, 2, 3, go.
3, 2, 1, go. So cold. Are you cold, Gabby? Yes. I might just go in the sauna just
Too warm. Yeah. But I just started it. I'll go check first if it's really hot. Girl, I started.
It might be a little bit warm, so you can sit in it. What did you see? Oh no. I was thinking if water was going to do it. Guys, ready, guys? Ready? Ready,
Let me see the. Hello, MJ.
so cool.
Julie, you don't need that one.
My goggles are up. Then you do it without. Or just float on your back. Oh, it's cold. Does back
Just don't do it. Then don't do any reaction. You're just impatient. The more you're impatient, the more you're gonna. You want daddy to do it? Okay, just do it.
Jump in.
Yeah, go jump in.
Jump in and dunk, but don't splash. Are my shoes out here?
I'll go in my car. I'll see my back.
Oo, malamig eh, mainit. Sobrang lamig yung tubig.
There's stuff in these goggles. There's Jade goggles. Me. Oh, wait, it's on high.
Gilana, you wanna go now to the sauna? Do you guys want namis? Tigtanong mo kung gusto nila makakain. Do you guys want food?
Yeah, we want some. Sure.
Okay. Ate don't have this.
Now put your shoes over here on that. What do you guys
Chris, what do you guys want? What do you guys want? What chips you guys want? What chips you guys want? Okay, don't burn yourself in sauna, okay? Don't too close on sauna. Julene, don't be close in sauna. Kita man pa di sauna ni mamaya
Dapat pala nakaharap dito.
Oo nga eh. They're doing sauna.
We could have put the front here instead of there.
I asked her.
Well, we don't. Well, I want it there next to the pool now. I want it next to the pool.
We're gonna move it over there.
Can we move it?
We're gonna move it over there.
Ah.
Think of winter. Think of 9.